You're genuine. Phantom Fire is driving all over the arena. Looks like trying to give a little bit of hit to everybody, but he's got a lot of opponents to disable. That was a solid hit, Phantom. Alright, somebody needs to disable Gertrude. Okay, I'll just call it out one at a time and you certainly do that. Gertrude first. Oh, jeez. There, he's done. Oh, almost done. One wheel left. Silas is working great over here. Doing his own thing. Getting out of the damage zone. Oh, Vibranium is not afraid to get right into that weapon. Kilogram is spinning, but no wheel, but it's screaming hit me. Vibranium still wants some. Clearly, the biggest threat right now is Phantom Fire, and everybody is trying to gang up on him. And it looks like he keeps shutting down, so maybe you could actually pin him into the wall and stop him. Somebody lost the wheel. Oh, it's Gertrude. Lost the wheel. That's it. Gertrude's done. Oh, not done.
Come on, get him.
57 seconds left. There's a lot of cleanup left.
Go Phantom.
Gertrude taking another solid hit to the wheel, but it looks toast now, finally. It's still, wow, that was an interesting pop. He just doesn't quit. Neither does Skylift. Both of these robots have their own heart. It looks like Phantom Fire has not even had a scratch on it. That is a tough robot. 3D printed nylon. 20 seconds left. It looks like Vibranium is toast. It could be Cyrus or Phantom Fire at this point. Is it going to be the one that's doing the damage or the one that's surviving the damage? 7, 3. That's the answer winner. It's Phantom Fire.